Hi you guys, it's Brittany from the vlog The Beauty Revival, where we're inspired by home and the people in it. In today's video, I wanted to talk about phase 2 of our kitchen makeover. I recently shared our modern farmhouse kitchen makeover on a budget, and I will leave a link so you can click over if you'd like to check that out. We started last year, actually 2 years ago. We replaced our sink, we put in a farmhouse sink. We've been working on making small upgrades and changes that work within our budget, and we didn't have a budget to completely rip out the kitchen and install a new one, so we've just been working with what we have. We painted our existing cabinets, put in new hardware, we painted our laminate countertop, put in new lights. We had track lighting before. So we've been working away on it for, I guess, 2 years, but really we started the painting and all that stuff last fall. And now I've been talking with my husband about phase 2 of this project, which I have wanted to do for quite a while, but wasn't sure if it would work for our family and the shape and size of our kitchen, but we figured out a way to make sure that it will, and that is taking out all of these white cabinets that you can see behind me and removing them and putting in open shelving, and maybe even 2 open shelves that would go all the way along here, and the bottom one having a peg rail underneath it. Hopefully we'll be able to get started on it soon, but if you are interested in putting in open shelving, but you're like me and you aren't sure if it's going to work with your style of kitchen, my husband suggested that I take everything out of my cabinets that I wasn't going to want to display on the open shelves and find places for them in the kitchen so that we could make sure that this was definitely feasible for us and our space and the size of this kitchen. So we were able to take a bunch of stuff to our local thrift shop, and then I was able to find homes for everything else that I wouldn't want displayed on the open shelves. And then I want to share a quick design board I came up with for some styling ideas if you guys are like me and you're looking to put some open shelves in your kitchen, but you'd like some ideas of types of things to fill out those shelves. So like I mentioned, the 2 shelves are gonna come all the way along here, which is a ton of open shelf. And I don't want just mass amounts of dishes stacked on there. I want there to be some plants and some artwork and vases, things that kind of help break up the space but bring beauty and life to it. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then the second part of phase 2 for our kitchen makeover is that I want to paint the bottom part of the cabinets and then the cabinetry over the stove. Again, I just painted them last fall, but I have been daydreaming about doing a darker shade of maybe dark gray or even a soft black. And I'm really excited about this. I have been sourcing all kinds of images on Pinterest. I actually noticed that this was probably where I should go with our makeover in the kitchen, because I was pinning all kinds of modern farmhouse kitchens with black cabinetry. So if you are looking at doing any type of renovation or a makeover in any room in your house, just start pinning on Pinterest and see what you gravitate towards. You might be surprised. I wouldn't have ever said black cabinets in my kitchen is something I really wanted until I noticed that was what I was repeatedly pinning. So I'm not quite sure what black paint color I'm gonna go with yet. I still wanna sample them in the kitchen, a couple different colors, but I'm really excited about that, and hopefully we'll be able to get these cabinets torn down soon, put up some open shelves, paint the bottom of the cabinets and over the stove, and it'll be another budget-friendly step to our kitchen renovation or makeover. And I hope you guys follow along with us on that journey. So thanks for stopping by the Beauty Revival. We would love it if you hit that subscribe button today. We share weekly videos with inspirational and attainable content for making your house a home. You can also find us on thebeautyrevival.com, on Pinterest at The Beauty Revival, and on Instagram at the.beautyrevival.